Okay, in this video, I'm going to discuss two topics. One of them is the ASCII symbol chart, and the other one is the Google Fonts. So, sometimes you have to insert, if you type in ASCII HTML code in Google, at the very top there's a table. Sometimes you have to insert things into your website that are not on your keyboard. So you can use this code to insert things that you need. Like some of it you don't need, like the and sign you don't need because that's on the keyboard. All the letters have codes as well, but you won't really need those because you find those on the American keyboard. But you will come across things sometimes that are not there, like the copyright symbol. And basically you can copy that code and go to your web page. And just to show you, I'm going to delete the text in there, and I'm going to put the code in there and save it. And refresh the page, and as you can see, there's a copyright symbol there now. And that's what this chart is for. There's a registered trademark symbol that is not on the American keyboard, so you'd have to go in there and paste that in there and save it. And now that's basically how you put symbols and things on your page that aren't normally available to you on the keyboard. Of course, you can explore this. There's a lot of stuff that you can do. The other thing I want to talk about is the Google Fonts. So with the Google Fonts, you can actually search, go to google.com/fonts, and it will show you all of the available fonts that Google provides for you that you can use on your website. There are other websites that also provide this, but we're going to talk about Google right now. And if you look through this, there are hundreds and hundreds of different fonts that you can choose that you can use if you want. I'm just going to pick one that I like. So there's one that looks kind of unique, so I'm going to just show you. You click the plus sign there now, and then you click there. As you can see, the load time is fast, so you don't want to pick fonts that are going to slow down your load time. And basically, it's got a link there at the top that you copy and you paste that into the header of your code there. And this is what you would put in CSS in order to get the font that you want. So I'm going to show you that now. Here's the header, and I'm going to paste this link right here. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste it right there and click Save. So it basically links to Google right there. And then below that, this is what you would type in CSS to be able to get the font to appear on your page on whatever element you want it on, or whatever div, or whatever. So then I would go to CSS, and I want it on the H2 header. So I do H2 squirrely brackets, and then just paste it in there, hit save. And for some reason it didn't work, so I had to troubleshoot this. Okay, what am I doing wrong? And then paused it while I troubleshoot, and I realized, oh yeah, I forgot what was wrong. It actually, I got it to work eventually. Basically, the way I did it is I put the styling on the div because it was all wrapped in a div. So now, refresh it. Everything inside the div has got the Google font that I kind of linked. And if you wanted to just style an element like I was trying to earlier, you could move all this. Basically remove the div just so I can show you how to do it. And type it in the element there. Save it. So now only the header tag has the fonts and the rest is normal. But anyway, that's just how to do Google Fonts.